Hello, this is Gary Naxted, and right now I am cooking dinner on my own Uruguayan grill. Now, a Uruguayan grill is a grill that has a brasero, a place for making embers on one side, and then it has a grill that goes up at an angle, and then to the right of it there's a griddle. There's also another grill that always stays flat. Mine happens to be just the size to put a sheet pan on so that I can bring meat in and out of the house. And normally I don't use a basket, but today I'm using a basket because what this is these are lamb Spiedies, which are basically, in this case, they're cubes of lamb that have been marinated all day in vinegar, salt, garlic, a jalapeno, and then I had from the garden, if you look out here in my garden, I've got sage, oregano, and right behind it rosemary. And that's what this has been marinating in all day. And we're going to have lamb Spiedies for dinner tonight. Not sure, I don't think these are quite ready to turn yet. No, not yet. I just put these on, but we're going to let these go for a while till they're browned on the first side. Then I'll flip them over, brown them on the second side, and we'll call it a day. But yeah, tonight it is lamb Spiedies for dinner. Thank you.